Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Renault Duster. This car have a problem, camshaft shifter circuit or inlet camshaft shifter assistance fault. Two fault or major fault. Okay, inlet camshaft shifter. In this video I will show you how you can solve this problem and where is this sensor, inlet camshaft shifter. Okay, here is the car. Go with engine room. Here is the engine room and inlet camshaft shifter is here. You can see this is cam sensor, camshaft position sensor, and inlet camshaft actuator is this one. See, I remove wire, that's why fault. And here you can see wiring also same problem, and that's why car problem like this. See here inside the sensor full dust and okay. So now I remove it and clean it properly, and then I'll show you what. Here you can see I remove. Full dust and damage. Clean it properly and then now fix it. Now I reset fault code and check if it is working. Ignition on, reset fault code. Now there is no fault. Start car. Here you can see now there is no check engine light. Everything is perfect. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.